Hi everyone, I'm Peyton Smith. I go by Peyton. I'm from Peachtree City, Georgia. I'm in my fourth year, majoring in political science. As for experience, I studied abroad in London my spring semester of my sophomore year, and I really enjoyed it. Um, I'm taking this course because I took an introduction to international relations course over the summer, and I thought it was really interesting, and I wanted to learn a little more about the subject. Um, I'm really looking forward to learning a lot about terrorism and everything that goes along with it in this class. I think it will be really interesting. Um, as for facts or hobbies about me, I don't really have anything interesting that I could share. If I could have dinner with one politically relevant person, it would probably be Eleanor Roosevelt because I think she's really influential, and in my opinion, one of the best first ladies that we've had. As for food, I would probably get Thai food because that's one of my favorites.